Hello, Mario. In this video, we're going to continue on with the scheme layout, but we're going to be right-lining the boundaries. So here's our diagram here. Let's bring it up to full screen, and here we go. So what we've got here is a series of boundaries and things like that that would require right lining. So probably what I might do, just so that we've got a record of the things there, might be useful. I'm just going to create a new layer, and I'm going to call it the new layer. I'm just going to call it curve boundaries. Curved boundaries. Curved boundaries, boundaries, B-O-U-N-D, boundaries. Okay, like that there. Okay, it's done there. All right, and we'll just get rid of curved boundaries. I might just change the color for the curved boundaries to magenta. Okay. But we're still going to stay with boundaries as our current layer. So if I put that in there like that, and put that in there like that, okay, and I'm going to put those on the curved boundary layer. So put that in there. Curved boundaries, and should make them go magenta. Okay, now we want to right line those. So I probably want to right line them on the outside rather than the inside. So well, these ones here are pretty easy to right line. What I can do here, I'm just going to turn on DDP type, okay, which is some points, and I'm just going to go, yeah, we'll go with that one there. Okay, so what I can do is I can just go up here to draw, and I can divide that one there, draw, and the one, is that, what's that, multiple points, ray, multiple points, divide, spaced objects. I think that's divide, and that one's measure. So I'm going to divide that one, and it's asking me select object to divide, and I want to divide it into two. Okay, and that point there should be on the boundaries layer. I'm also going to repeat the divide for that one there. Number of will go 2. Okay, now going around here, it's going to go inside, and so I really want. It probably won't matter too much because I've got quite a wide sort of options there. Depends how many I do. So if I went 1, 2, 3, 4, I want an even number so that I get a boundary right in there. So I'm going to divide, repeat the divide, and select the object, which is going to be that one there, and I'm going to divide that into 12. Okay, and yeah, I think that'll do it. All right, now what I'm going to do is put some lines around. So I'm just going to go from there to there. I'll turn off the nearest option, I think. don't want the turn off the nearest. We definitely want the node on. Turn off the nearest option. Okay, there. Okay, so then we can come somewhere around here. Not cooperating. Have I maybe turned off the end point? Or have I turned off everything? Ah, there we go. Turned off everything. Not that flash. So, yeah, I think that's what we want. There, like that. And then we just go on to these nodes here. They're slightly inside, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. We can always put another one. Okay, so that'll do those for the boundaries. So we're going to possibly lose a little bit of width, but I've got a little extra width anyway, so we'll just put a line in here. Cool. All right, so now, yep, I'll change that one, oh, come on, that one, 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 that one. That's us all done. So we'll change all those to curved boundaries. Curved. Okay, there we go there. Okay, so these ones here, oh, probably I'll go with recent inputs, divide all around there, maybe 4. We'll see how that goes. Yep, that'll do. Repeat divide 4. Hey. Repeat divide 4 and repeat divide 4, enter. Round here, repeat divide for there. Let me see, maybe 8. Yeah, and repeat divide there. 8. Okay, and 6 to here. Repeat divide 6. Okay, try it again. Repeat divide 6 into and repeat divide 6 enter. Okay, so now we can actually turn off the curved boundaries. And turn it off. Okay, and then we can join up all these boundaries. A bit easier. So there, and so now they're all right lined. Okay, repeat line. Okay, and repeat line there. U for undo. Didn't quite hit that one. Yeah. Yep. Okay, I'll get this finished. This video's be going on. Well, I can finish the video there. I can think you can see what's going to happen, so I'll just do the rest of those and that'll be the whole thing right lined. So I'm sure you don't need to watch that. And yep, we'll have that all ready to go and start doing the sections next time. Cheers. See you.